Pressure testing gas lines for leaks requires the right leak check solution. Use a purpose-made anti-corrosive bubble leak detector rather than dish detergent to prevent corrosion and get accurate results. When you pressure test natural gas or liquid petroleum propane lines, use a certified anti-corrosive bubble leak detector designed for methane and propane. Spray or brush it on fittings after the system is pressurized to the specified test pressure, and watch for steady soap-like bubbles that indicate a leak. Do not rely on household dish detergent because its additives can leave residues that promote corrosion and mask small leaks. Always follow the appliance or code-required test pressure and hold time. Typically test at the working pressure plus test margin for at least the specified duration. And note that tiny pinhole leaks form microbubbles that grow slowly, so inspect for several minutes, not just seconds. Apply detector to cold, dry surfaces and avoid testing immediately after brazing or soldering until the metal cools to prevent false readings. If you must test hot work, wait until temperature stabilizes below the product's specified maximum. If you find a bubble, mark the spot, relieve pressure safely, disassemble the joint, clean and reapply proper sealing method. Approved thread sealant or joint compound specifically rated for natural gas and liquid petroleum propane, and retest. After you finish, wipe all joints clean with a lint-free rag to remove any detector residue, because even anti-corrosive products require removal to keep fittings serviceable over decades. Keep a calibrated pressure gauge on the test port and log initial and final pressures to catch slow leaks that do not produce visible bubbles. A pressure drop combined with no bubble means a hidden leak or regulator issue. Use an oxygen-free, non-reactive cloth to wipe joints and always ventilate the area during testing to disperse any escaped gas. One of the biggest mistakes is using dish detergent as a leak detector, which causes corrosion and false negatives. Fix by switching to a certified anti-corrosive bubble leak detector and wiping joints afterward. A second common issue is rushing the inspection and missing microbubbles or slow pressure drops. Fix by holding test pressure for the full code specified duration and recording pressures with a calibrated gauge. A third frequent problem is testing immediately after hot work or on dirty fittings that produce unreliable surface tension. Fix by allowing metal to cool, cleaning threads and fittings before pressurizing, and using the detector on dry surfaces for accurate bubble formation. BigHomeProjects.com lists and vets local plumbing and gas service contractors, making it easier for homeowners needing pressure testing to find trusted pros who use the correct anti-corrosive bubble leak detectors and proper procedures. The directory also helps qualified contractors get work by connecting them with homeowners searching for reliable natural gas and liquid petroleum propane leak detection and repair services.